craft room. It is a bit of a disaster, but it's okay because I started sorting things out. I have things in the hallway too, but they're all going to have homes when I'm finished. And hopefully we will. Okay, I've got some home decor here that I've already sorted. Some in this bag too. That's garbage in that. And then there's donation. This is Puppy's pillow. And I think that's donation over there too, except the flowers and stuff I'm going to put up there where they belong. So, excuse me. You'll have to excuse my hair. I'm not going out anywhere today, so I didn't really do it. I'm just wet it down and brush it back. And I need a haircut, which was coming up soon. And this is Fairy Garden Thursday. And I am going to tidy up my craft room a little bit. And hopefully I'll get a fairy garden made too, which I'm sure I will. I just have some things pulled around and out and about. And I have my seed tray here. I'm hoping to get some seeds planted in this. And I will make a video, of course. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit of tidying. Well, welcome again to my channel. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. And say hello in the comments so I know where you're watching from. So, if you're a regular subscriber and you watch me all the time, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And the little two-piece outfit I have on today, I really am enjoying them. I have 3 of these. I got one for Christmas and bought 2 more. Anyhow, they're easy to put on. They wash and dry like a dream. And they're not too hot to wear to do stuff in. So, I hope you enjoy my video. Let's get on with it. I just turned my camera off. Anyhow, I want to put something up here. I'm hoping that stretchy curtain stuff will work and hold the baskets. And I'm going to store them up there. So I'd like to get that done soon because these baskets take up a lot of room. I think I might sort through them and stick them in my bedroom just for a few hours. And it'll just clean this spot out a little bit. So that's not a basket. That's not a basket. These are baskets. There's quite a few baskets, which I'm thrilled with. Oh, that's not a basket. This is a, whatever it's called. Okay, this and this. This can probably go in here. And this. This. Let's see here. Oh, that's just a bag. Okay. I should try and sell some of these for Easter. Anyhow, I'm going to take these ones to the bedroom. I will be right back. Just love that I can speed it up and work in super speed. Wouldn't that be nice? Anyhow, I'm getting my basket sorted out and the trays all sorted out here. And I just stuck some things in the bedroom. And now I'm just kind of organizing what I want to keep right there. And we do have a floor. Yay! Let's donate. Let's do this is keep. Okay, we're gonna speed her up again. Get this floor swept. Tell you, it gets so covered and stuff when I do projects. Yeah, making fairy gardens can be a messy business. Anyhow, I've been doing other crafts and stuff, and I will have them on my Sunday home refresh videos. Making stuff for spring decor. Hopefully, spring will be here soon. Okay, looks like I got the room kind of back in order. Oh, those are all my wooden bowls and stuff. I need to find a home for them too, but we'll see what we get done. Okay, we got the room all tidied up and I got stuff organized. And I have my decor in boxes and stuff now. I'm going to put in bins and we're going to put in the laundry room. So now I am going to show you how to fix wings on your fairy if they broke off. I found this little trick and I wanted to share it with you, and I'll show you what we're going to do next week for a fairy garden. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's a little short. I have all these little butterflies, and there's the white ones here. And I have this little fairy who doesn't have her wings anymore. Not sure what happened to them, but I saw someone on Fairy Garden Thursday take the butterfly and just cut the butterfly prongs off. And then you just glue this right into where the wings go, and your fairy has wings again. So I am going to do that. Here's our sweet little angel with her wings. The butterfly works perfect for her wings, and I think she is just adorable. I think she is just adorable. The butterfly works perfectly. And there's her little wings. Okay, I showed you this little house that my husband made me. And I said it went this way. Well, it doesn't. It goes this way, so it looks like it's sitting on a tree, because it is like a little tree house. So there's a little hole right here, and there's a little pokey up thing right there. I'm going to put glue on that. And I'm going to glue that together. Make sure it's getting in the right spot. Oh, there we go. I could feel it click in. And then you poke it into your styrofoam with this. And you have this ladder that you can hang anywhere off of here. So anybody can climb up inside and visit the fairies. I would put it up here. I think that would be, yeah, because you're gonna. So when I put that in, and I do have it all planned. I got my queen, I got my little fairy, and I got my basket. So this is what we will make next week. Make for you next week and show you how I put this all together. And I have a little pond. I might put some swans in there. I don't know. Anyhow, we'll see what happens. But she's going to have her little fairy garden house. I might decorate this up as well with moss and stuff. Put some little things on there. This will be fun to make. So that's my Fairy Garden Thursday for this week. I hope you all enjoyed it. As you know, I love making my fairy gardens and to see how they turn out. But today I just had to tidy up my room and get things organized a little better. Because if you've watched my Sunday home reset, you know we're doing a big declutter downstairs. And we're going to clean the laundry room all out so I can have all my decor. Seasonal decor, which includes Christmas and Valentine's and all that stuff down there. So that will really help my craft room. So I'm just going to leave you now. And my next video is Sunday Home Reset. And it will be more working in the basement. Okay. Well, it'll be the laundry room that is getting cleared out. And that's where we plan on doing the biggest changes. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, Sunday Home Reset. And hopefully we'll see you again for Fairy Garden Thursday. Thanks again, Grandma Sandy. Bye.